Play Fanatics, it's me, Belle.
And Camila.
And if you're new to this channel, well, welcome to the Play Fanatic family. And if you guys didn't know, this is a unicorn slime kit. Everyone loves unicorns.
If you want one of your own, just go to Original Stationary.
Okay, let's open. So you want to make slime?
Let's go!
So you guys want to hear a funny joke? Let's go. Okay. What did the slug say as he slipped down the wall?
What?
Slime flies.
That's
okay.
funny.
Now let's see what's in our unicorn slime kit.
Blue, pink, purple, and white foam balls. Check. Got it, okay? Next is glue and borax. Yep. That one. Next is 4 small containers. Okay, I'm guessing the 4 large containers are also in that one too. Yeah. Okay, 2 measuring cups. Yep, right here. Okay, 3 stirring sticks. Right here. Tool knife set. Yep. Jelly cubes. Yes, jelly cubes. Clay. There I have them. 4 scent flavors. Bean. Tell me those are not the scents. 4 scent flavors. There is candy. Ooh, yummy. I love candy. Comment down below if you guys like candy. There is bubble gum. I like bubble gum. There's strawberry. That sounds good.
Chocolate strawberries are good.
Yeah.
Guys, now we're going to start off with the slime. First, we need to open this and put water, it says. So we can make borax water. And then it says not to put too much because then we're going to ruin the slime. Original Stationary, you guys are awesome. You include a booklet with tips and tricks to make really cool slime. So I chose to do fishbowl.
And I chose to do foam.
Before I can make my fishbowl slime, I need to start with a basic slime. So I'm going to use 30 ml of clear glue and pour it to 30 ml.
You want to put it on the table so you make sure that it's...
And shout out to our mom because she just works really hard to record this for us.
Aww, thank you.
It's the truth though, guys. I poured my clear glue into my measuring cup, 30 ml, and my mommy is gonna help me pour in a few drops of borax water. Okay, so I got my stirring stick, and my mom is gonna help me pour in the borax water, and I'm gonna stir. And make sure to shake it every time you're gonna use it. I know you already shook it, but just a tip, so shake it every time you're gonna use it.
So mixing it together. Look at that, guys. Look at. Whoa!
I'm stirring it for a few seconds. Now I'm going to play with it and hope for the best. So we've made it. Slime, guys. We barely got started, man. Still got a long way to go. Well, not really that long. But I'll still be able to make my fishbowl slime. So now I have my basic slime, and I'm gonna put my color, scent, and glitter. So first I'm gonna start with my color. Since I want my color a little bit brighter, I'm gonna add 2 more drops of the blue, and then I'm gonna add my 2 scents, my 2 drops of my scent.
Now I'm gonna add my 2 drops of scent.
How's it smell, Belle?
Yeah, it smells like blueberry. Bubblegum.
Make it shine, make it shine. Ooh, that's a lot of glitter. Maybe I'll just add a little more glitter. Glitter. Now I'm gonna knead it with my hands.
How my slime looks, guys.
That's a lot of slime for us.
Smell this.
Mmm. Smells so good.
And I'm just mixing it. Making sure.
Container.
And got my blue. And look at the thing I wanted to do. The reason why I wanted to do clear slime was because look at this. It's blue, but when you open it, it's clear, and it's not that dark, like a dark blue, because I use clear glue. So that's why the reason behind why I wanted my clear glue. Guys, take a look at my slime. Feel good like before. We put in the beads to make it actually fishbowl. Okay, bring in the beads. So now I'm gonna put in the beads in my slime to make it fishbowl.
Oh, there's a lot covered in my slime. That's cool. Just trying to get all of them so it's not a waste. Yeah, but remember, a little goes a long way. So if you have so much, it's gonna like fall all over the
I made it, guys. Look at this.
I hear it kind of crunching. Let's see.
Wait, can you do the clicky test? Because I'm gonna do the clicky test.
Ooh, that is a little cookie. Now do this roll test. A little swirl.
Yeah?
This is so cool. So now I'm gonna put it in my container.
Guys, this is the first time you've ever made slime.
That worked.
I'm gonna be doing cloud slime, and what you need is 50 mLs of water, which I have right here, and I'm gonna pour it right into this bowl. Now I have 10 mLs of snow powder, and I'm gonna right now pour it into the bowl I added my water. And I'm gonna mix right after. This kind of already looks kind of like an experiment.
That does look really cool.
It's turning like gel, guys.
It's gel now.
Can I feel it, Mom? It feels like actually snow.
Oh my, it does?
Yeah.
OMG.
Feel a little bit.
Feels like snow.
This is so cool, and it looks like
snow-tastic.
Look at.
That's an awesome snow plane. And now guys, we need to add this to our basic slime, which I still have to make. But this is so cool. So now we're gonna do 30 ml of glue. Oh, did you hear that part?
As long as it was the bottle and not you. So, was it the bottle?
Yes! So my mom just right now added the borax to the glue, and I'm mixing it up, and it's actually like feeling like kind of getting more stiff and harder to mix. Yeah. So right now I have my clear slime and it's all basic and everything, and I'm gonna add my slime to the snow I just made. So let's get started. Really cool. It's so cool. This is already amazing. Just gonna mix it together and look how it's coming along. So cool, guys. Now I'm gonna go in with my hands, and it feels kind of really good. My mom's right now gonna add some borax water. Yeah, this is definitely coming together.
I think I'm gonna go into my hands now. Okay. I'm just like, it feels really cool. Ooh, I can actually make a ball now, guys. It's turning out like slime. I'm just trying to pile all the snow on top and trying to make it. It's working? Yeah, I think so. That's good. Oh, here's the piece. This is really cool. It feels cool and everything, but it doesn't look cool yet. I think it looks better.
Hey, if it stays like that and it's still like, I know it's gonna just like come slime, but if it still has like that snow texture, we can build a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? So I finally made snow slime, guys, right here. And I decided to add color to it, and my color I'm gonna add is purple.
Do you want to add a fragrance too?
Yeah, I think the fragrance is gonna be vanilla.
Okay.
So how many drops should I add? And now let's mix the dye in. Maybe 2 more.
2 more drops?
Yeah. While I added those 2 drops, I'm also gonna put my vanilla scent. First, I think I'm gonna smell it. Oh my god, it actually smells like vanilla. 1, 2, actually it is. Oh no, it's starting to. Oh my god. It's getting thinner. That was so stretchy. I want to see if I could beat my sister at the Instagram swirl. So I'm gonna stretch it. I think I have to stretch it a little. This long. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is since we have that connected, boom. I did it just with this mini slime. Now squish. Now let's do the clicky test. There, put it like. Let's just stretch it a little more. I don't think it's that clicky. It's not that crunchy, but you could hear like a slight sound. Do you hear that? So happy we won. Thank you, Original Stationary, for sending us this kit. We're so grateful that we won. And we're so happy our slime came out correct. I mean, it's awesome. First time ever.
Hey guys, you need to check out Original Stationary, and you need to go check out their Instagram. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.
And don't forget to comment whose slime do you think turned out better. So this is mine. This is goldfish slime.
Fishbowl.
Fishbowl. I said goldfish. Fishbowl slime.
And mine is snow slime.
Cloud, actually.
Yeah.
Okay. So don't forget to comment whose looks better and which one would you pick.
And pick out what's your favorite slime to make.
Oh yeah. Bye.